Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by selecting the clip and the visible marker you'll track. Choose something high contrast so the algorithm locks on. Once done, import the trimmed segment into Inshot and set the project ratio for your final export. This prevents repositioning later. You should enable the grid in the preview to place reference points, then scrub frame by frame to pick the ideal start frame. Make sure the marker is not occluded for the initial frames, so tracking initializes cleanly and stays stable. Now add your overlay, sticker, text, or image and roughly position it over the chosen marker. Tap Motion Track and set the precise start frame where the marker is clear, then run Auto Track. You'll watch the overlay follow. If it drifts, pause and switch to manual keyframe edits. Move a few frames back, add a corrective keyframe, and nudge the overlay into place. Repeat for any occluded segments. This hybrid auto plus manual approach keeps motion natural while fixing algorithm errors. To finish, play the full clip at normal speed and watch for jitter or lag. Small keyframe easing and tiny positional tweaks smooth motion. Once satisfied, export a short test clip to verify stability and color grading. If you spot persistent drift, split the track into shorter segments and rerun tracking on each. This isolates problem areas. And if the overlay snaps or disappears, return to the original frames, choose a clearer start, and reapply tracking. Retracking short sections typically solves most failures.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.